Hi, I'm Jordan Trosclair with Business Spotlight 225, and today we're interviewing Shara Caballero with Key Lending Solutions. Let's find out what she has to offer. Shara, thanks so much for joining us today. Tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got into the business.
Oh, wow, Jordan. I've been in the business off and on for over 20 years. I started off my career in banking. I also worked in outside sales, advertising, and marketing. I've been doing first mortgages for about a little over 5 years.
Great. So walk me through some of the process to get pre-approved.
It's a really easy process, Jordan. Basically, I still believe in doing business in person. If someone wants to come into my office and start the application there, they can do it over the phone. They can do it through our website. There's many different ways they can apply and start the process. After they apply, I get some income documentation such as tax returns and proof of identification, and I pull their credit. I overview all of their documents along with their credit, and I'm able to actually issue what we call a pre-approval letter or a pre-qualification letter. What that does, it ensures that you are only showing properties to people that are eligible to buy those properties. Through the process, after pre-approval, you take them to go shopping for a house. They find a house that they want. They make an offer. They wait to see if their offer is accepted. And at that point, if it's accepted, then I start their loan process. Basically, it takes anywhere from 30 to 45 days depending on the complexity of the loan.
Nice. So obviously sometimes I hear people get in working with someone that they don't necessarily like, and they decide, maybe I want to shop around and check someone else. But they're afraid to get their credit pulled. Tell me a little bit about that.
That's pretty common. We try to encourage people to get more than just one quote. At Key Lending, we have no origination fees, and most of your bigger banks or your credit union charge them an origination fee. So they want to be sure they understand what they're being quoted, and I sit down with people all the time with a quote that they've already gotten and something that we can offer, and I go over those things with them line by line.
Great.
But 45-day window, they can have their credit pulled as many times by mortgage companies, and it's not going to affect their score except for the first credit pull.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
So how long does the loan process usually take?
Depending on the complexity. I have one that will be closing on Monday, and it took 14 days.
Wow, that's
14
awesome.
days from beginning to end. Very simple loan for a school teacher, so it was very exciting. But we also have some loans could take up to 45 days depending on the complexity.
Sure, sure. How important is it that someone gets pre-approved before they go shopping for homes?
Oh, you don't want to get your hopes up. You want to know exactly how much you can get qualified to borrow so you know what price range to look in. You want to have realistic expectations, and you don't want to waste your time, and your borrower doesn't want to get their hopes up on a house that they might not be able to afford.
That's true. Now, is it true that I have to put 20% down if someone for the first time wants to go buy a house, or?
No, we have so many different types of mortgage programs. For some people that may be a good fit, but I have 3 mortgage programs that require no money down.
Wow.
So depending on credit criteria and in each individual person's situation, we determine which one's going to be best for them.
Wow, 100% financing. Is there any associated cost with that?
Absolutely. There are some associated costs. That is alleviating your down payment. But if you want to have an inspection on the property, that's going to be out of your pocket. If you want to have an appraisal, you have to have an appraisal on most loans, and that's usually around $500. And if the seller isn't paying your closing costs, you'll have those costs also.
Gotcha, that's great to know. So Shara, how does someone contact you?
Oh, you can reach me at my office at 225-293-6548. You can also reach me on my cell phone at 225-933-2368.
Thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Business Spotlight 225. I'm Jordan Trosclair, and if you'd like to have your business spotlighted, you can contact me direct at 225-715-9014. Thanks.